welcome, bros, to another episode of The Bro Show.
Or for other people kung saan natutupad ang inyong mga pangarap.
Yan.
Uy, marami nagtatanong.
Oh.
Number one, natuloy ba yung date ni Junmar tsaka ni Red?
Tingin ko. Kasi, tignan mo naman si Junmar nung last game, para nang hina.
May picture ako. Pero
Meron,
hindi na makikita eh. Kung bakit, kung ano nangyari doon.
Doon, may
Saan sila
ka?
nagpunta.
May paparazzi shot ka nung date nila?
Ito.
Hindi. Pila.
Ayun, may matangkad.
Hindi, natagalan sila eh. Kaya
Pero wala. Hindi natin pwede pakita yan. So, but thanks to everyone na
Oo,
nag-enjoy
dami. Oo.
and nanood nung
Meron na rin sa YouTube. Meron na.
Meron na? Ito mo?
Meron na.
Okay,
Meron
okay.
na sa YouTube.
Hopefully, basta all our episodes will put it on iTunes, Google Play, and YouTube very, very soon. Now, so All-Star Weekend, NBA All-Star Weekend, and I'm actually happy na yung slam dunk contest has been, naging relevant ulit.
And kasi di ba before na, di ba? Everyone was really looking forward doon sa three-point shootout. But even if you get excited about the three-point shootout and it just shows how the game has changed, there's only one way to do it.
Which is?
Just to shoot basketball.
Yes.
Yeah.
The imagination, the flair, the total parang entertainment value
Is
can
still-
only come from the dunk contest.
Yeah.
That's the reality of it.
No, but you, as a three-point shooter,
Oh, yeah.
di ka ba mas na-excite dun sa three-point shootout?
Hindi rin. Sa dunk pa rin.
Dunk pa rin.
Kasi I'm trying to expand my...
Your
This
repertoire?
age,
Yes. Pero dalawa lang naman yung entertaining dun eh. Di ba? Well, sayang si Greek Freak eh. Di ba? Kasi hindi pumasok eh.
Kasi yung bumasok yung una niya, feeling ko, he
Yes.
would have gained confidence.
Oo.
Probably could have done more. Maybe.
That's
But I don't
right.
think he's...
At that level.
He's just, parang a freak athlete, but I don't think yung dunk artistry, I don't think he has it. I don't think he has. Not unless, pinagdadasal ko nga, dunk from the free throw line, pero hindi siya tatalon. Abutin lang niya.
Ano
Eh,
yan,
hindi
si
niya pwede
Elastic
gawin yun.
Man?
Bakit?
Eh, si naka-Space Jam outfit
Okay,
si Zach Lavine.
kinuha ni Zach.
Wala
But,
eh.
wow, that Zach Lavine guy, wow. His first dunk, ako aminin ko, nalaglag ako sa upuan ko. I mean, I did not expect something as eye-popping as his first on his first attempt. Wala man lang,
Walang stretching eh.
wala man lang yung, ay, naku, minti, sige, try mo ulit. Wala eh. On the first, walang kahirap-hirap, pumapush.
I mean, yung kay ano rin naman eh, kay Vic.
Manuel?
Vargas. Hindi!
Oladipo.
Oladipo. Okay rin. Ayan,
Yun,
yung mga highlights ito.
What's that the
I think the third yata.
Yes. Pero grabe, no? Talagang,
kahirap-hirap.
yung ion the rim lang talaga, eh. No? Wala na siya pakialam kung nasa yung bola. Tapos, kanan siya shoot, di ba? Kaliwatong ginamit niya dito.
Ito, phantom cam
This
to.
was the
Oh my
first one.
gosh.
No, this was the
No,
second one.
this was the second one, yes. Oo.
Tingnan mo, akala mo, wala na, di abot eh.
Alam mo, ang gusto ko makita, somebody who would actually kiss the rim.
Kaya ito yung
Ito
first.
yung first eh.
Yan, oo.
Gosh.
Muntik nga siya. Sabi nga, muntik maumpog.
And it's and malinis.
Aha,
Hindi umaalog yung bola.
Yeah.
He doesn't fumble with the ball on the first attempt. And that is very, very impressive.
Oh yeah, look, ito talaga super slow-mo. Ibang klase talaga.
Pati ako mabagal na rin magsalita.
Like I was half
Ang
expecting.
tagal sa ere, oh.
I think half expecting, kaya niyang sumelfie. So sobrang, di ba, sobrang tagal niya. Feeling ko, kaya. But, a lot of people are really grateful kay Zach Lavine because he made a slam dunk contest exciting again. Dahil, for many years, people say, wag na. It's useless. People would be attempting 20 times.
Yeah,
There was
yeah.
that 1 year.
And last year was the worst. The team dunk off.
Oh, yeah, it should not be a team event. It should not be a team. It should be an individual event. But Zach Lavine, wow.
But
Can't wait for
it
seeing him next
it
year.
hasn't been that long, huh? If you think about the number of years that it hasn't been relevant. The last time that it was really relevant, remember the Blake Griffin, JaVale McGee one. Yun, super ganda nung dunk contest na yun.
Sa daming gimmick.
Oh, yun yung dalawang ring,
May
over the
may
car.
kotse, yan, ganyan.
Oo.
Yeah, true. But I think ito talaga yung people saying, okay, you know what, sige, we're good.
Yeah.
Okay tayo, slam dunk contest tayo ulit next year.
I don't know if you remember, and we've talked about this many times, and I've been a proponent of not having it every year because there's not enough good dunkers that come out on a yearly basis. Kumbaga, nagkakaroon ng brain drain. And every 2 years, every 3 years, you come out and people get really excited about it because they haven't seen anything. I don't know how fair that would be to fans that would be in the All-Star event kung walang dunk contest, but there's just not enough dunks for dunkers in a yearly basis.
I disagree.
Ako gusto ko rin every year meron eh.
Ako,
I mean, if there's no, kung walang bagong good dunker, edi yung luma. Yung si LeBron.
Hindi pa ayaw na ni LeBron.
Kaya
No,
nga,
but, you know, in reaction to what Jason said, I think there are enough talented dunkers in the NBA. Mason Plumlee is clearly one of the most talented dunkers in the NBA.
Ganda ng dunk niya.
Hashtag puso. Dali mo na lang sa puso.
Bro yun, ha?
Kaya mo yan.
Bro yung mga dunk niya, ha?
Kaya mo
Magkapatid.
yan. I don't know, hindi ko maintindihan.
And wasn't it, okay, I think the dumbest stat I heard during the All-Star, Mason Plumlee, he has the most number of dunks in all of the competitors. I'm like, does it really matter? Do I care?
I guess sinali talaga siya so that may,
Yeah, may
Brooklyn, may taga-Brooklyn.
Pero hindi rin siya pinalakpakan masyado eh.
Hindi nga. Kasi I think people knew. I mean, you were not expecting a miracle out of Plums. Best effort na lang,
Magsama
bro.
pa kayo magkapatid.
Nagsama nga sila, wala na nangyari. Best effort na lang, bro. And then, of course, the three-point shootout, that was as good as advertised for me. I mean, kulang na lang si Kyle Korver nag-finals. Unfortunately, hindi. But that was pretty nice. Splash Brothers, then Kyrie Irving. I mean, those are all legit all-stars.
Ako kasi mag-enjoy lang ako, or I mean, I liked it. But I think it would be really nice if the last shooter had a chance.
Had a chance.
Yeah, because si Clay, pagdating ng final rack, wala nang pag-asa eh.
Yung talagang down.
Wala yung, yeah.
Yung may drama sa dulo.
Oh, actually, mas maganda pa yung drama nung
Plus, they added 4 points.
Kasi yun na yun.
Diba?
Yung nagkaroon ng parang nagkaroon ng mega rack.
Kaya...
Ang taas tuloy nung...
Kaya nga, sinasabi nila, parang na-match raw yung kay Grant ba yun before? But hindi naman eh. Kay Hodges, but hindi naman
yun.
eh. Oo,
iba yun. Mas marami siya na-shoot.
Oo. So, pero I mean, Curry pa rin, ang galing.
Di ba pa iba-iba tayong ano eh. Before coming in, who did you have?
Ako, Clay.
Ikaw?
I thought
Ako,
kasi,
diba,
I thought Clay
Irving
had the
ako eh.
perfect form and style for the three-point. Kasi ano siya, efficient yung form niya, bilis.
Clay?
Ako kasi Irving rin eh. Ganun lang, di ba?
Actually, underrated three-point.
Ako hindi, si Curry na talaga eh. I saw the future.
You saw the future.
Ayan, ako.
Yeah, I saw the future.
Oy, speaking of the future, sabihin mo, Chart, what we have in store for the bros today.
We have a feng shui expert, ha? Kaya nga nakapula ako eh.
Idea mo to?
Ha?
Idea mo to?
Depende.
Nilinaw ko lang.
Ito na naman.
Give credit where credit.
Idea ko yung kay Junmar. Inaangging ko yun.
Hindi, kaya nga. Ito, sinasabi ko nga, idea ito ni Chart.
Magbigay naman kayo ng ideas. Ako na lang lagi. Di ba? Hindi, pero kaya nga eh.
Kaya nga
kasi
nag-red.
Chinese New Year.
On Thursday?
Thursday. Walang pasok.
Ha?
Sino?
Walang pasok, walang work.
Wala ba?
Wala ba work?
Hindi ko alam yun ha. So, yun.
Pag Chinese ka.
Di mga anak ko tatanungin, Dad, may Chinese blood ba tayo? Hindi magaganon agad yung mga yan. Pero, exciting.
So, ano malalaman natin? What do we expect to hear?
Hulaan natin yung mga... if it will be a good year. Ha?
For who?
Not only tayo
Tayo
muna.
Okay.
Pero
Tapos,
yung mga yung mga favorite players of different teams. Of all the teams.
ganun mga PB players.
Yes, kaya dapat talaga lahat tumutok dito, no? Kasi dito malalaman. Kasi kung halimbawa, sinabi sa inyo na this will not be a good year for you, wag na kayo maglaro, di ba? Parang bigay nyo na sa amin.
Ganun ba yun?
Oo, sa amin na yan.
Papahirapan mo pa sarili mo eh.
Sana pala, pulutan natin, tikoy man lang.
Sa akin, meron nagregalo sa akin.
Thank you ka.
Wala pa tayong pulutan hanggang ngayon. Nanakaw pa yung mga mag natin. Nawala
Tatatlo na nga lang yun.
Nawala yung mag eh.
Oo, di ba? Meron pa rin naman yan. Dadagdagan pa yan.
Binala ni Junmar.
Sige, we'll take a short break. When Bro Show returns, we'll get into Feng Shui.
Yes.
Feng Shui. At saka tanong natin kung ano tama, kung Feng Shui or Feng Shui.
Sige, alamin natin. Okay, we will have our Feng Shui expert on the Bro Show when we return.